Right, nangine kwenye ati ya kamiti 15 ba AZIMIO na 5 ba Kenya Kwanza ni betekanite Kwambiria Rwaria kati ati kontu kwa JUMATATU KIUMIA TWITITE kiri mwambirio yo Rwaria runende rabati kureta urumwati ati kathirikari na uteruragani na thirikari rwitite na mbere nyombe ya Bomas of Kenya ni betekaniriti kinyagwe KATIMU inge kuguna Rwaria runa kurikia ugebo Anthony Kadenya katoechio
Dhainya jarukere atongile ba AZIMIO na bala ba Kenya Kwanza ba ikinyaga nyombani ya Bomas bebanga nite Kwambiria Rwaria la kuleta ngwataniro musema ni ojo kiambagirwe muselele nyume mutongora baba inge bunge nikimani shungwa kukinya madha mala matali mabanganie mutongeli jo baba inge kimani shungwa akikinyaga Bomas da mwanja na nusu na musema ni ojo Kwambiria dhainyanya kile Rwaria la Kwambiria musemanio lolo dilolo kididika mbila musemanio ngo kwidro kyambelia mutongire kile ngwatanire ya AZIMIO kalonzo musoka kijuka kanya gaka kwelethia tibuta AZIMIO bakithiro bakali muntu makoni na mwananchi na batete kile muntu no meko makoni no gai bwa thirikari.
As a coalition and the interest of the nation, we therefore commit that we shall, number one, negotiate in good faith and genuinely seek a just outcome for all Kenyans. Secondly, seek solutions that address the rights and interests of all Kenyans now and in the future. And thirdly, uphold and promote integrity, transparency, and accountability throughout the dialogue process. We shall not negotiate, and this is important for us, for any form of power sharing with the Kenya Kwanza Alliance or put any personal interest ahead of the interests of our people.
Kiri bandi ya ngwatanire ya Kenya Kwanza gutukira governor county ya Embu Sisirimbarire bena wegiro munene Rwaria lulu kale takioneki kilima thina maria magwatite ndino kwa thaino.
We come here in good faith. We come here putting the interests of the people of Kenya first. We come here determined to look for long-lasting solutions for our great country, Kenya. Issues before us are issues that can be discussed and solutions found. I want to believe that each one of us is here for open and fair dialogue, and that we shall be led by our commitment to the common interest of the people of Kenya and not personal interests.
Musemanio jo mde kwidijega na mbele wega na kamiti no kwidiro gitikanelia kubanga ni otetheria bangi kile Rwaria lulu ba technical balaba kwidiro ba karande muthenya wetano na kubangania maundu mala kamiti eno ekethiro ekialeria musemanio wa mbele bagitikanagirio kethiro kithithika muthenya mambelio kiuma tuthiete.
We have agreed that we will begin the dialogue process once we frame the agenda items, and I think we should be ready with that by Monday. As agreed, we will have the secretariat that will be supported by Parliament for secretarial services. We also have technical committees backing up each of our teams and rapporteurs on either side.
We think that the technical teams should sit by Friday and generate the necessary documents so that on Monday we get moving. We will not go out there over the weekend or whatever and begin to discuss matters that are strictly within the province of these negotiations.
Na nyuma kwithiro bagisemane kuthithia Rwaria muthenya umde kamiti ene antu ikomile ugetekania kwithiro bakithithia Rwaria lwa mbele muthenya mwambelio kiume tuthiete ndukola bakuga bakethiro bathondeka technical committee kana antu mwanya bala bakethiro bakibatetheria kuthithia Rwaria lulu kuma muji munene na Nairobi Beta Anthony rangi wa Kathenya.